Githurano kinene gigitanywo gutafanio ihinda-ini ria thikũ 53 ciukite. Bũrũri wa Kenya ni umurikitwo ni mabũrũri ma nanja na honge cia kimabũrũri itanya ri kũrũmĩrĩra uria githurano kinene gigutafanio. Ministri wa ugitiri wa thiini Dr. Matiangi agiteterithia wirutiri wa thirikari ari gutigirira kamiti ya IEBC ni igatereba githurano giki na njira ya uma na waragania.
The request or whatever we have been told to do in terms of security deployment, I have confirmed with them, as I have done to the country before, that we have sufficient resources in terms of personnel. We have created an integrated framework where we are working across on a multi-agency framework with other agencies to support the IEBC to deliver.
Matiangi uria uma na mucemanio na mabarothi kuma mabũrũri ma nanja augite gukinyaniria na riu thirikari ni yarĩrĩire mitaratara yothe iria irabatarania agiteaniria uhotekeku wa gututhuka kwa ngahiha hindi ya githurano kinene.
We want to continue our trade and our economic activities because we do not anticipate any disruption of any kind, just by dint of having a general election around the corner.
Gukiri uguo Matiangi ni ataririe mamwe ma moritũ maria makoretwo makimang'ethera ari ni hamwe na kuhitana na aria marahuthira nenda cia kiriu kunyagia miario igicũngĩrĩria ngũĩ. Matiangi agikinyĩrĩria o rĩngĩ thirikari ndĩrĩ na mũbango wa gukahinga mitambo ya ukinyaniria hindi ya githurano.
There are cases of voter bribery, there are cases of abuse of social media, which we are dealing with because we have sufficient institutional frameworks in place to deal with these issues. We are not going to claw back on those credentials by, for example, raiding freedoms, shutting down the internet, interfering with freedom of association or freedom of assembly or whatever the case may be. We are going to live by the Constitution. We have all taken the oath of office to ensure that we live by the Constitution. All we are doing is encouraging our fellow citizens, our brothers and sisters who are political players, to be mindful of the country, to be mindful of the citizens of this country, to keep the peace.
Kiumia kihituku Ministri ya ugitiri wa thiini ni erika kuruguria mubango wa kugatha makiria mawatho megi maine na uhuthiri moru wa nenda cia ukinyaniria. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.